If you need to change the cabin air filter on your vehicle, don't pay to have somebody else do that for you. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to change this yourself. You could pay close to $50 to have somebody do that for you, or you can do it yourself for under $15. I'm going to be showing you how to do this on a Jeep Patriot, but the process is very similar in most vehicles. Here is the filter I purchased online. I have a link in the description below if you'd like to purchase one. Now all you have to do is open up the glove compartment and take out the existing filter, like this. You might need to use a pliers or a screwdriver to get it out. Then once you have it out, all you have to do is take the new filter and put it in place. Make sure that the airflow is going in the same direction. And that's all there is to it. There is no need for you to have somebody else do this for you. So go ahead and save yourself some money. Just order the filter online, and for under 20 bucks, you can change this yourself in less than 2 minutes.